Welcome back, everyone. So today I'm going to be looking at swapping some of the mounting hardware and lights from the old NB bumper, which is really beat up. I mean, this thing is just, it's seen better days. So I've got this Bomber, that's the model number, the Bomber bumper. Let's take a look at what we're going to do. So most notably, we're going to remove this mounting piece that mounts on the front bumper, and it's glued on. It's attached at the factory, but it was failing for quite some time. In fact, you can see here where the prior owner tried to add a couple screws, but it's just fallen off. So I'm going to take this off. Actually, I don't think I'm going to try to even resell this old bumper because it's just such a piece of garbage. So I'm going to salvage this mounting bracket, which is awesome because this only came, the Bomber bumper only came with these little tabs, which are kind of crappy. They're not, and they're very flexible. And the benefit of using this, the OEM piece, is that this lip will align. You know, once this is mounted, this lip will automatically align with the hood. So my goal is to take that off, mount it over here with a combination of glue and screws and bolts, nuts and bolts, whatever it takes, and then get that lip lined up. And then I'll take the front marker lights out. The mounts, are these even? Yeah, it's okay. So another goal is to try to get these fitted over here so that they, you know, somewhat match. I know it's not going to be exact, but I'm hoping I can just drill a couple holes and then get, you know, cut this out with a tool like a Dremel and maybe bevel the edge a little bit and just sort of match the look. If I have to, I could probably externally mount these. I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure that out. But here's a look at the difference of the two bumpers. So they're about the same height or depth, however you want to look at it. They're about the same, and you can see that the replacement bumper has this extension depth of the lip that this guy had in the front. So it's got bigger ducts for the air to get to the brakes. And the front opening is about the same for the radiator and the intercooler and all that. This stuff is complete garbage, so this is all coming off. This is like this. I don't even know why they put this on. I guess it's just for the look. But this is just super crappy mesh. I don't even know, you know, what the point of that is really. Just to make it look good from the front, I guess. Anyway, that's all coming off. I'll probably just leave all these open. There's no need to put anything over here. God, this is garbage. This is really bad. Anyway, that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut these tabs off. Just cut them off, pull that off, get it mounted over here. Fortunately, there's a little lip here, so I think I can drill, you know, use these holes and see if I can just mount it to this with a combination. Like I said, I'll probably get some epoxy and lay it in there, and then I'll put some extra screws and whatever I need to do to make it secure, and then I'll take the lights off. And then, oh, last thing is on the corners over here, there was this whole setup, which included this little guide, and this clips on the inside of the car. And there's this piece, which is all it's not supposed to be like this. This is completely bent. But what I'm gonna do is just get a piece of flat metal, and I'm gonna run it under here, just underneath here. And I have to take this part down a little bit right here. And I'm just gonna glue a piece of aluminum right in there. And then I'll have the hole here, because there's one hole that, and then I'll put a bolt up through it, and then we'll just attach it on the top. So that's all I'm gonna do on those parts. Hopefully it'll work out and get this thing on the car. But that's the project for this next few days. Hopefully I'll get it done. I'll give you an update. See you later.